Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Welcome to my English lesson. Today's topic is the pet show. Before we start, you can open your SUPERMIND Students Book 1 and turn to page 34. In this topic, we are going to learn about animal vocabularies. So, let's start. This is an elephant. An elephant has two sharp tusks, a long trunk, a long tail, and four big legs. What a big animal is it? What does an elephant eat? An elephant eats fruits and soft leaves which taken from the trees. This is a rat. A rat has a small nose, two round ears, four small legs, and a long tail. What does a rat eat? A rat eats natural foods like fruit, grains, and nuts. It's so cute. This is a lizard. A lizard has two round eyes, four small legs, and a long tail. Now, what does a lizard eat? A lizard takes insects as its food, such as scorpions and ants. That's amazing! Let's take a look at a frog. A frog has four legs and two round eyes. Unlike lizards, frogs don't have tails at the back. What does a frog eat? Same as lizards, frogs also take insects as their food. Wow! This is a spider. Unlike any other animals, spider has 8 legs on it and an oval body. That's awesome! Do you know what are the foods for spiders? Spiders often eat insects like flies and bees. They can catch insects that are bigger than them using their webs and fangs. Way to go, Spidey! This is a duck. A duck has a sharp beak, two flappy wings, and two white legs that help them to swim. What do the ducks eat? Let's take a look. Ducks eat variety of food, including fish, frogs, fruits, and vegetables. Wow, you eat so much, ducky! This is a dog. A dog has a round nose, a short tail, and 4 strong legs. What do the dogs eat? Dogs' favorite foods are meats, vegetables, and fruits. What a healthy food you have there! And this is a very cute cat. A cat has a very long mustache, 4 strong legs, and a long tail. What are cats' favorite foods? Most of us know that cats love to eat meats and fish. Those are their favorite foods. Yummy! Dear kids, here are other animals that people have them as pets. They are rabbit, parrot, hamster, goldfish, and tiny little turtle. They are so cute, aren't they? And that's all for today. I hope that the lesson gives you a good knowledge about animals, especially pets. Love the pets as you love yourself. See you again next time. Goodbye.